Hi everyone, so it is now December 2nd and we are just about to meet the mayor of Hiroshima. He came down I think for some other things but reached out to Ohana Arts and wanted to come and see the cast of Peace in Your Wings. So if you've been following me for a while and you saw our trip to Japan recently, we went there to perform the musical Peace in Your Wings in Hiroshima and we got to see the mayor there, and now he's coming to visit us here. So wish us luck. What's happening today?
We are having a special meeting with Mayor Matsui. We have a little reception. We're gonna have just thank him for the time that we had in Hiroshima, and I don't know, he wanted to meet with us, so
He reached out to us.
yeah, he reached out to us.
I'm kind of amazed and honored that, like, you know, he has this like short time in Honolulu and he called us.
I mean, we're just not good at like this kind of etiquette stuff. Plus, we bought like these giant donuts, so like. What we really should be serving is like tea and cookies.
Yeah, really. So,
but we have donuts and coffee.
so we don't know if we should.
So
put
I
this
think maybe we should put a table, because if he wants coffee, it's gonna be like on the ground.
Where's the mayor gonna put his coffee when he comes?
Those tables are ugly. Is that table?
I think that we should put out these tables here. Have an eating area.
Like
we
a
eat the
dining
donut for 15 minutes.
Oh my
And then we come and we circle. Because
That's exactly right. I think that's a great
right? Okay.
So they're not so.
Yeah, I feel like they're not gonna do donuts in this intimate circle here. You know what I mean?
Just put the
ね、皆さんの演劇を見てね、素晴らしかった、感動したっていう話を聞いてですね、もっともだなと思いました。
When you performed in Hiroshima, you moved many people. I heard this from different people because I totally agree with them, because you came to see me before your performance and you sang for me. So I knew how much you practiced singing and dancing. Thank you for sharing your memories with me. I'd like you to keep them and do not forget, and share your memories with many people, especially your age and even younger people. And please keep your fond memory of Hiroshima and always be a fans of Hiroshima and make more fans around you. That is my hope.
And I think that it was, we're just very grateful that your generosity in the city, and everybody felt very welcome. So we just thank you so much. We're very, very grateful. You guys come a little closer. Come closer. Come more forward.
Sure. Is that good? More so?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Katie, you're blocking Ceci.
Say お好み焼き。
1, 2, 3.
お好み焼き。
Really nice.
Tonight is Kathy's birthday and we're celebrating it here at my mom's house, my parents' house. And we are going to also be filming a video of mochi cupcakes. So that one probably will come up first, but this is our setup here. Super simple recipe. And for dinner tonight it's Shabu Shabu. So I'm not really gonna film that because I just made a video on Shabu Shabu. But I do have a couple new things to share with you about our Shabu Shabu experience. So keep watching. But for now, we're gonna be filming Grandma's mochi cupcake video. And I found this recipe of hers in her recipe book, box. So we're gonna try it out. This is called mochi. Probably need a spoon for that. Okay, you ready? Okay. Are you ready?
Through the recipes.
We'll read it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Carrie. The channel is all about Hawaii food and family, and today we're making another one of Grandma's recipes from her recipe box. Okay, so tell us, what did we do at Marukai today?
So not only did we get our groceries, but we also had to get a new Shabu Shabu pot.
Tell us about
So
it.
the last time we were here, we had shabu. It burnt out on us and died. So we had to go makeshift with a burner. But this is a good investment. We typically have shabu shabu maybe once every few months. And we get a lot of good use out of the pot. So we bought this pot. It's $79 from Marukai. It's a split pot. So 2 different broths can go at the same time. And it's electric, so no fire.
And the brand is Narita.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, we need an extension cord.
Okay, this is our new pot, the box. So if you're in the market for a shabu shabu pot, this is the one we got.
Okay, but give me 1 second then.
And we will give you the update on how it is.
What, did she just
Hi. Oh, here's the birthday girl. Birthday girl. So you are, I guess you don't have to say how old you are.
In my late 40s.
Whoa, does she look late 40s?
When did it turn from mid to late? Just today? Whenever you feel like it. It's all relative.
So what is your advice for the amount of years you live?
I think it's good to remember what is important in your life.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Never forget.
Never forget what is important. Words from the birthday girl.
First you cut off the end. Okay, so that. Then you're gonna cut it about this big. Push down and push forward. Wash your hands. That's good. That's perfect.
Okay,
Take some milk thistle. Smooth, huh?
What kind of sake did you get?
Kubota, Junmai Dai Ginjo. It's like really, really sweet, really smooth. No hangover.
No hangover? Is it on the box?
See it on the box.
I think once you get all that shabu in you, it's just gonna soak it all up.
Our ponzu of choice. And all of our meats and all of our veggies tonight is from Marukai.
So you tried plum on it?
Yeah. And then this is the cocoa that we made in the last video. If you watched my last video, this is our delicious cocoa. It tastes really good. A week or 2 weeks, maybe it's 2 weeks now, 2 weeks later. Maybe a week later. Yeah, a week later. muffins.